Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. And one more thing we are going to learn is this hatching. This inclined line, we used to call it hatch. This hatch indicates in the 2D drawing is as cut section. Now we'll learn how to create this model as well as to create hatch. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. I have opened this AutoCAD software already. Now just go to new. Now we are in the new window. So this is our model. This is our software. Now we'll create this model. First set the units. Type units. Our units are in millimeter, so choose millimeter, and here also after the point there is no decimal, choose 0, and this one is make it decimal only, and here we choose millimeter. Say OK. Then we need to specify the limit. Just type limits. Lower left corner is always 0, 0. Just enter. And right corner, the top corner, we make it more than the size of the model. The maximum size is around 190. Just make it 300. So type 300, 300. Just enter. Then Z enter, A enter. Now we have created the setup. Then we'll start modeling the object. First, see these are both are in same axis. First create one line, just L, enter. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. I'm just pressing F8. Just create one vertical line. Just right click, cancel. So this vertical line is nothing but the axis of this one. Then select this line. Here from this line, this line distance is 50. Just copy CO, enter. Base point to just select here. The distance is 50. Just 50, enter. And here again we need to specify the distance of 38. So this side, which is again select this one, just CO, enter, select it here. Here this distance is 38, enter, then escape. Now you have created both this. First we'll start with this circle. The circle distance is somewhere we can create it. Just see, enter. I'm just creating a circle here. Just escape. Just see, enter. We can start from here also. Just start it here. The diameter of the circle, this one is the same radius they have specified, R14. This also be 14, just 14, enter. Then again go for L, enter. Extend this line, or just select this line, just click it here, then extend it. Now see this distance, the center from the bottom is 22. Then L, enter. This is center one from the distance of 22. Just 22, enter. Then this distance is, here you can see the total distance is 96. The thing is, we cannot minus the values here. We cannot use any symbols here. It will show error. So instead we need to minus by using a calculator. we need to calculate the value and enter the value. The total, just add this value, 38 plus 38, 76 minus 96, you will get 20. So the remaining value is 20. Then go here. So this is, we can make it, just right click, cancel it. Then you just create this circle with a diameter of 40. The center distance is from here to here, there is 44. Further just L, enter. From this point here, the distance is 144, just 144, enter. Right click, cancel, then C, enter. This point, the diameter is 40, just D, enter. Just 40, enter. Then just create this outer circle with a radius of 32. Then just enter it. Just take the center point. The radius is 32. Just type 32, enter. Similarly, we just want to create we need to create these two circles. For that, the total height is 70 plus 190. So just simply take L, enter. From here to this distance is 50, 50, enter. And total distance is 190, just 190, enter. Right click, cancel. Now just again go for C, enter. Here you can see the endpoint. This inner circle diameter is 20. So then type D, enter. Diameter is 20. Enter. Then create the outer circle with a radius of 20. Then just enter it. You will get the previous command. This point, the radius is 20. Just 20. Then we'll create this circle. The distance is 70. Just simply take L, enter. From here, which is 70, enter. Right click, cancel. Then just C, enter. You will get the end point. Here the diameter is 44. D, enter. 44, enter. Then this circle with a radius of 38. Radius of 38. Then again C, enter. This point. Radius is 38, enter. Now we have created all the circle. Then we'll just make a line. Just L, enter. Start, we have left from this point. Just start from here. Just cross this line. Just click it here. Right click, cancel. Here we need to make a fillet with a radius of 15. For that just F, enter. Select this one and this one. It's not created the fillet. Just now try again. Just F, enter. This one and this one. That is, we'll create it later. Now here we need to make a circle with a tangent connection to this both the circles with a radius of 40. Then for that, just go to the circle here. Here there is an option called tangent, and radius. First, it is asking to specify point on object for the first tangent circle. Here, second tangent circle here. Now we need to specify the radius is 40. Just 40, enter. Now we have created. Now we'll remove these lines. Then only we can be able to do easily. Okay. This line we can remove, I hope. Just select it and delete it. This also is selected and delete it. Now we have created this circle, we have already this circle, and this line we have, and this arc also we have. Then we need to start from here. Just L, enter. From the quadrant, just select it here. From this point, here and here. Right click, cancel. Now we just want to make it here. Here, this is the center one. Here just create one more circle. Just go for C, enter. From here, just come here. So this is the point. Or just remove this line. Just extend this line up to this. Just escape. Just trim this outer circle. Just TR, enter. Trim this one. Now escape. Now just go for C, enter. The same point. C, enter. From this point to here we need to make connection with the radius of 14. Just 14, enter. That's it. Now just TR, enter. Just trim this line. This also we don't need it. And this line also we don't need it. Simply and select it and delete it. This also just select it and delete it. Here just use a trim command, TR, enter. Just trim it. Here inside we don't need it, just trim it. Just escape. Just again go for TR. Just this is we don't need it. Just escape. Then go for TR, enter. Just trim here. Trim this here again. Just select this line. Delete it. Select this line, delete it. Now we just want to make a fillet in 3 locations. Here, here and here. With a radius of 15. For that just type F, enter. Select the first object and select the second object. Just fillet F, enter. Then R, enter. Radius is 15, just 15, enter. Select the first object and second object. Now we got the fillet here. Similarly do the fillet here also. Just repeat the command. Select the first object and select the second object. Again enter. Select the first object. Select the second object. Just escape. Just select this one. Delete this line. Here we just want to make a line. Just L, enter. From the quadrant, just find the perpendicular line, right click, cancel. Again take L, enter. From the quadrant, here we make it a perpendicular line, right click, cancel. Then TR, enter. This one you remove it. Here also remove it. And this also you remove it. Just escape. Now we have created the complete outer sketch. Just have a look once, is there any feature is missing. We have created this fillet, circle, same circle, yes. Now we have finished this object. Then just increase the thickness, simply select complete object, by layer 0.35. Just escape, increase the width. Just move this one, select this one, complete object, just move, just click here, just move it here. Now we have created this object. Then we'll specify the dimensions one by one. Before that, specify the center mark. Just CM, enter. We need a center mark here, center mark here, here. For this we need here, for this we need here. Now we have created a center mark. Then we'll create dimensions one by one. First we'll start with the linear dimension. From this point to this point, the dimension is 96. See, 96 came, but it came as small value. Just modify the style, dim style, dim STY, just enter. Just go for modify. Symbols and arrow, make it 4. Text also make it 4. Dimension primary units, make it single decimal. Say OK and close. Now we got the dimension. If you want to increase the size more, also we just increase the size value in that. Now this is enough. Now just specify 38 and 38. Just go for linear dimension again. From here to here, the dimension is 38. Just move this little down. Then again go for linear dimension. From here to here. Then we need to specify this linear dimension, which is 144. From here to here, the dimension is 144. And again go here. From this point to this point, which is 22. Again go for linear dimension. From here to here, from this point to this point, which is 70. Again go for linear dimension. From this point to the center point, the dimension is 190, but we need to specify it as from here, from this center point, from this center point to this center point, which is 120. Then one more linear dimension, which is 50. From this center point to this center point, which is 50. Now we have specified all the linear dimension. Then we'll go for the radius and diameter. First we'll start with the radius. This radius is 15. And this outer circle radius is 32. And this radius is 40. And this outer circle radius is 20. Now we'll specify the diameter here. This one is a diameter of 20. And here, which is diameter of 40. Now go for here radius. This is 15. Again this also be 15. Now just go for the radius dimension. This one is 38. And this diameter is 44. Now this radius is 14. Now we have specified all the dimensions. Now if you want to increase this dimension size, just go for dim style, STY, just enter, modify, symbols and arrow, make it 5, text also make it 5, just say OK, then close it. Now the dimensions are a little bigger. Now we just want to make hatch. For that, just go here, we can choose hatch from here, just select the closed one, now just go for hatch. Now we got a hatch at the inner area, but this hatch lines are very small lines. To modify this property, right click and we can go for property, or here also we can change it. Now just select this one, right click, go for the property. Now scale type, we make it 5. Angle 0 is nothing but a 45 degree. Scale is 5, make it. We can increase this into 5 more also, just provide 10. We just provide some 13. Just give 15. Now just close it. Now we got the proper hatch line. If you want to increase this line, it is little closer only. Just go to the property again. Scale, we make it 20. Not 30, just 27. Then close it. This way we can modify hatch 1. So there are different properties of hatch. There are different style of hatch. Which style of hatch you want, you can choose. This one, this one. Now we are in the ANSI 131. This also we can go. This one, this one, this one, this one. Based on the model, we can choose the different style of hatch. Now we are choosing ANSI 131. This is a continuous line. So hatch indicates in the mechanical component is for a curve section. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. In next tutorial we'll come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.